So exciting!
Yeah, we are, guys. You have no actually idea where we are, but we're at a dealer shop.
Hi, we're Stef and Bo and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we would like to share our adventures.
What are the chances? I mean, we just got parked and of course the cops are coming.
And of course, share our struggles with you. So hop along and enjoy the video.
Okay, so despite our little accidents, we're live.
We're still alive. We're working part-time jobs. Gizmo. And Gizmo.
Subscribe if you want to support us. It's free and it's the easiest way to help us to share more videos for you.
So exciting!
Yeah, we are, guys. You have no actually idea where we are, but we're at a dealer shop and we're gonna buy a car.
Maybe.
Maybe.
If it's good enough.
Yeah, if it checks all the boxes,
Yeah.
but
there's quite a lot of boxes, but this one's supposed to be
really good.
pretty good.
Yeah, it's actually, the deal is too good to be true, you know? Probably those salesmen. I don't know, but we'll see, and we'll enjoy it. I actually just want to enjoy the experience and see and go and in.
Yeah, so yesterday we already tried to rent the same kind of car that we want to buy, to see like with the measurements if it was okay, if it was driving okay, like just trying it out before we were actually going here. But we made a reservation and I totally forgot.
Yeah, they actually double booked us, so we came there for nothing, and at the end we almost had a discussion with the owner because, I mean, we almost got scammed, and he confirmed the order also, so that kind of sucks because we were there and we were like, hey, like this is not okay. Doesn't matter anymore.
It's just typical for us. We always have this kind of bad luck, so
Yeah.
at least today is more important.
Yeah, indeed. So we're gonna enjoy it and we're gonna explore it and maybe even ride it today. But it's not actually a car, it's actually something else. But yeah, I'm actually pretty excited. So hope you can enjoy it with us. If you don't know, here in Belgium, actually all the stores are closed and you can only go on an appointment here in Belgium. So yeah, which makes a whole experience thing of like searching for a vehicle and yeah, enjoying it. It's way different. It changes the whole dynamic of enjoying it and exploring it. While you have to make an appointment, you can't go fun shopping actually. That's what they call it here in Belgium. But we're actually glad we're here, and we'll bring you along so you can enjoy and see what we're maybe gonna buy. We're not sure, but we'll see how it goes. Guys, we're not in a Jeep, but we can take our mask off.
our mask off.
We're not in a car, we're actually in a freaking van.
We're in a van,
We're in a freaking van.
We're gonna take it for a test drive now, but it looks pretty good. Finding some hidden gems.
Yeah, I'm looking at the options because when you're buying a new van, you gotta see what you're gonna buy for. I mean, it's got some extra options like put a bottle in here so it's cool for drinking. Oh, we actually never saw the car and we actually only spoke with the dealer on the phone, and we arrived and it also has 2 seatings. You gotta check it out. I mean, like 2 seatings. We want to optimize our space so good, but we actually got it. Oh! We saw some VANLIFEs here, but they just left. This could be our van, guys. We're actually, at first we were a bit skeptical of the size, I think, but I think we can manage it, don't you think?
Yeah, it's a challenge and we're always up for a challenge. Maybe we can make it. We lived in a car and this is way bigger than just a car.
Yeah.
So I'm sure we can.
It's an automatic gearbox, so it's actually pretty good. I mean, we've tested it now in the highway, and the shifting gear is really smoothly on small hills in Belgium. We don't have a lot of hills, I mean, except if you go to the Ardennes, then there's a lot more hills. But I couldn't really find the details of the width inside, because they gave a specific detail about the measurement, but not everything. But it's interesting to know if you want to buy this van. So yeah, okay, we gotta leave. So we're being stopped by the cops. They're gonna check our paper. Of course, we gotta do that, right?
Luckily, everything was alright. We told them that we are doing a test drive and maybe buy a van. And of course, convert it to a camper.
Ta-da! Okay, they were actually very friendly.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah.
But what are the chances? I mean, we just got parked, and of course the cops are coming. I mean, they just want to check the paper if the vehicle is registered to test it out. But of course, we got it.
The test ride was very successful, but we decided to think it over a little longer before making any decisions.
In the meantime, we're gonna enjoy the sun for a bit. I'm gonna pick up my our little nephew, my sister's 3-year-old from school, and have a little play date with him.
Yeah, indeed. He's probably not expecting us. I don't know if he's.
I think he is, because he needs to know what's going on.
Yeah.
Otherwise, he's confused.
Yeah, he's a bit. He's a cute little fella.
Yeah.
How is this? You recording? Alright, it's recording. What's up, guys? So today's actually a big day. Bo's not actually around here because, you know, we're working part-time jobs, and after she's done with working, we're meeting up at some point, and then we're gonna pick something up, and yeah, we want to share with you. So we've been waiting for this moment actually quite a while. Hey buddy, you want to come up? Gizmo's always curious, and he's walking on the desk right now. What are you doing? Gizmo. And Gizmo. Gizmo. And put your tail away. Okay, you're probably already gonna guess it if you already followed us on Instagram. If you haven't followed us on Instagram, go hit that link there, and it'll go to our Instagram, and subscribe to our channel, and then you'll see some daily content over there also. And Gizmo, what are you doing? I need to. He wants to play. Gizmo wants to play. Hey buddy. And yeah, so now I'm gonna pack up. I'm just talking too much. We need to leave. All right, see you guys.
Guess where we are?
Yay, we got our van, guys.
Yay! We'll show you like the whole inside and all the details about it later.
Yeah, let's head that baby on the road, and we'll show you the details in a second.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so despite our little accidents, we're live.
We're
and
still alive.
we got our van.
We got a van. We literally got it for like 1 hour, and so I hit the mirror against the pole from a sign, and got a little crack in it. So I have to call the insurance. So it's a small thing. I mean, it's our lives. We're still alive.
Ta-da! This is our van build.
Yeah. I mean, there's no cracks in here.
No, that's what matters.
So, but guys, this is where we're gonna live in the coming year. Like, this is really, I think it's still big.
Yeah, it's big enough.
So it will do. This will do enough. I mean, and yeah. Oh. It's the Maxi Ducato. So it's supposed to be 3 meters and 70 centimeters long. So it's not the extended. It's like the ProMaster. You have like the 159 wheelbase, but it's not the extended. We actually opted to get the extended one, but we found this one and we fell in love. Probably the bed is gonna come here. Here's the bed, and then here the shower probably, with the toilet. And then we'll probably have here a bench or seat, I don't know. And then in here, we'll have a kitchen. Huh? Don't you think?
Yeah.
Like the salesman Stefan was trying to sell us, like, if you have like scratches and all that stuff, and we were like, dude, this car is gonna have some dits and dents in it probably. But
yeah, this car is gonna get molested anyway, so we might as well start soon. We're just gonna put in one window, but we're not sure where or how big exactly. We still have to figure it out, I guess, just to get some natural light in. But we'll see. We'll see how we do that.
Probably a window, a max air fan, and yeah.
A massive fridge. Cooking is important. Food is important.
So this is our car. I love it. We love it. I mean, I'm still satisfied with it. The main reason that we bought this car is for exactly this reason, so we can actually sleep. Was it lengthwise?
Yeah.
Or widthwise? Widthwise, I guess.
Oh yeah, widthwise.
And yeah, so in here there's no cracks in here, of course. That's what I mean.
Alright, so this is it. This is our baby.
Yeah, this is our baby. We're gonna call it for the moment Mr. Grey. I think Mr. Grey is suitable.
Mr. Grey is nice, but if you have any other names that could be suitable for this guy, please let us know. We're open to any suggestions.
Yeah,
as always.
Yeah.
And you know what the funny thing is? We didn't take the full Omnium because he's turning 30 in about a month and a half.
So we have we have the Omnium, but it's like an Omnium Plus.
Yeah.
So I think we have to pay for the window, or I mean the mirror plastic thing ourselves.
Probably.
But we'll see.
So yeah, we're gonna convert this baby into a home in the next few months.
Yeah, hope.
Yeah, it will take a while because we're not rich. We don't earn gold.
No, we don't. We don't have a tree with we don't earn money on our back. We have to really work. We work part-time jobs, but yeah, we want to share this conversion with you, and it's a step-by-step progress. But
yeah, hopefully you want to come along to the ride and then enjoy this journey with us. Yeah, it's definitely going to have some struggles with it. Converting a van is not going to be easy. It's going to be blood, sweat, and tears involved. But we know that. We knew what we signed up for.
Yeah, we're going to get some curses and like, what the heck? It's a climbing wall.
Yeah, there's people climbing there.
Yeah, just to give you an idea, we're so parked in a parking area that's really quiet, but like I'll just show you. You see that? There are people like climbing on a wall. So yeah.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along, and we'll hope you follow our progress.
Yeah. Okay. See you guys.
Bye.